Hey friends, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. I'm Jennifer Bands and I bring you low carb and keto recipes. If that is something you're interested in, please like and subscribe. I've also got several other videos that explain all of my keto recipes, and on my blog I have almost 200 low carb and keto recipes for you to check out. So today we're going to be talking about the Instant Pot, specifically chicken in the Instant Pot. We're going to do chicken thighs, chicken breast, and chicken legs. What I love about the Instant Pot is that it cooks meat fast. It makes it juicy and tender. And it's just easy to throw your stuff into the Instant Pot, turn it on, walk away, forget it, and then come back and your food is ready. It's pretty amazing. I have the Duo 60 Instant Pot, and it comes with several settings, high pressure and low pressure, and it has the yogurt setting. I do have a recipe for Instant Pot yogurt on my blog. You should definitely check that out. So let's get started with these chicken recipes. All right, let's get started with these Instant Pot chicken thighs. First thing we do is we've got 5 or 6 chicken thighs that have the bones in, and I took the skin off, and now we're going to mix up our seasonings. And that seasoning is smoked paprika, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. You want to season both sides really well. And then we're going to put some oil in our Instant Pot, and we're going to have it set to high saute. And we're going to brown both sides because brown food tastes good. After they're brown, remove from the pot. And if you have more, brown the rest. Add the water and scrape all of the brown bits off the bottom. And the water stays in the pot because you have to have water for your pot to come to pressure. And I like to put the chicken thighs on top of the trivet. You don't have to, it's my personal preference. I think that if you don't, then the seasoning will just come right off in the water. And now we set this to 10 minutes at high pressure. After those were done, we did a 10-minute natural pressure release. And they are super juicy. Look at that. Up next, we've got our Instant Pot chicken breasts. These I just season. I don't sear them, because it's just easier that way. If we're just going to shred it and put it into a recipe, we always have to have some kind of liquid. Seasoning is cumin, chili powder, and oregano, minced garlic, and salt and pepper. This is so easy. I love to make some of this and then use it in different recipes like taco salad. And then we're going to set it for 10 minutes, high pressure. And then after that, we're going to do a 10-minute natural pressure release, then release the rest of the pressure, remove the lid. And now it's time to shred them, or you can remove them from the pot and dice into chunks. And that's it. That's all there is to it. And last but not least are these delicious BBQ Instant Pot chicken legs. We've got garlic powder. We've got mustard powder, smoked paprika, cumin, onion powder, salt and pepper. We're going to mix that all together, and then we are going to season the chicken with it. Just put it all in there, mix it up with some tongs. And then into the pot they go with the trivet and 1 cup of water. The Instant Pot makes these chicken legs amazing. Now we're going to add some barbecue sauce. I like to use sugar-free, but you can use any barbecue sauce that you want. Now we are going to cook these again 10 minutes high pressure, followed by a 10-minute natural pressure release. And then we remove the rest of the pressure with a quick release. And now this is optional, but I like to put them all on a sheet pan and then put them under the broiler with more barbecue sauce and get them nice and caramelized. It really adds so much flavor. These are super juicy and they just fall apart. The skin is like non-existent. It just melts in your mouth. You will not regret making those recipes. For more recipes like this and lots of keto, low carb, and Instant Pot recipes, please visit my blog, jenniferbands.com or lowcarbwithjennifer.com.